Now 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Update today. Good news dahil nangunguna nga si Miss Eco International Philippines Alexime Brooks sa pinakamataas na point system on the Ecotourism Video Rankings. First update today, Miss Eco International 2025 Ecotourism Video Rankings based on point system as of now. Here are the top 5 Miss Eco International candidates leading the Ecotourism Video competition based on the points system. Top 5 is Miss Eco Brazil. Top 4 Miss Eco Venezuela. Top 3 Miss Eco Netherlands. Pangalawa si Miss Eco Indonesia at nangunguna nga on top 1 Miss Eco Philippines. Congratulations to our very own Miss Eco Philippines Alexime Brooks, and we will continue to support you until the grand coronation night of Miss Eco International 2025 competition. Once again, patuloy po nating suportahan si Alexime Brooks sa kanyang kompetisyon on the Miss Eco International 2025. Kaya naman po, patuloy po tayong umantabay sa channel na ito para sa lahat ng mga updates. Suportahan natin sa Alexime Brooks at huwag kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe para sa mga bago pang balita. This is Nel2204, your pageant vlogger host. Maraming salamat po sa iyong panonood.